Want to make money online with zero investment and zero experience? In 2025, one of the easiest ways to earn passive income is by creating and selling Canva templates. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to design templates for free and sell them online, even if you've never done it before. Let's get started. What are Canva templates? A Canva template is a pre-designed layout that others can use and customize. You can create templates for Instagram posts, resumes, planners, business cards, invitations, ebook covers and more. People love templates because they save time and look professional, and they're willing to pay for them. What you need to get started. Here's what you need: a free Canva account. Basic creativity, you don't need to be a designer. An idea for a template. Optional, a Gumroad or Etsy account to sell your work. That's it. No fancy tools or paid software required. How to create a template. Let me walk you through creating your first template in Canva. Go to canva.com. Choose a format, e.g. Instagram post 1080 by 1080. Use free elements to design a clean, useful layout. Add editable text boxes. Use guides to keep everything aligned. Save it as a template link, not just a design. Pro tip: keep it simple, clean, and customizable. Your buyers want to personalize it. Where to sell Canva templates. You can sell your templates on Etsy, great for planners, resumes, and printables. Gumroad, no listing fees, good for selling directly. Payhip, easy setup, takes care of delivery. Your own website, if you want full control. Just upload your template, write a title and description, set a price, and share your product link. Pricing and promotion. Pricing can start from $3 to $25 depending on the type and quality. To make more sales, offer bundles, like 5 Instagram post templates. Add a few screenshots to show how the template looks. Use keywords like editable, instant download, and Canva friendly. Promote on Pinterest, Facebook groups, or even TikTok. Bonus tip: add your product to multiple platforms for extra exposure. Passive income explained. The best part? You only make the template once, but you can sell it unlimited times. That's what we call passive income. Some people are earning hundreds or even thousands per month selling templates they made in just a few hours. Choose a niche like business, education, health, content creators. Focus on quality, keep your design simple, and upload regularly. Consistency is key. And don't forget to thumbs up, like, bell, subscribe to Earnify hacks. Envelope with arrow. Share this video with someone who wants to start earning online in 2025.